In this video, we're going to be stopping by 5 locations. 4 of them are brand new Ultium Charge 360 locations at Pilot and Flying J's along interstate corridors. The last one is I'm going to be stopping at the headquarters for Pilot and Flying J in Knoxville, Tennessee. The route we're taking is from my hometown outside of Charlotte, North Carolina, through Atlanta up to Knoxville, and then the final destination is in Harrisonburg, Virginia. General Motors has been working with EVgo in order to install what's known as EVgo Renew charging stations inside of major metropolitan areas. And they're trying to do 3,250. They've completed 1,000 of that goal just recently. So they're making good progress. Those charging stations in the major metropolitan areas at the EVgo Renew sites typically have Delta chargers and also some slower chargers. They're designed for people who live in multi-tenant dwellings and who are going about town and looking for a DC fast charge. General Motors also has the initiative to build out charging stations at Pilot and Flying J travel centers. These are different because they're along interstate corridors designed for people taking road trips. And those have been very slow in coming. I've been looking out for them for about a year and a half now, and we finally have a collection of them kind of near my house getting built out. There's also a major sale that General Motors just made for a lot of EVs that are getting flushed into the system. And so these charging infrastructure are necessary to be a part of the success of these initiatives. There's something called NEVI compliance, which will release federal funds to help build these out. And as you can see, the requirement for NEVI compliant charging locations are that they have 4 ports of DC fast chargers, and they have CCS as the connector type. That is still a part of law, even though the industry has kind of moved on from that by now. But still, that is the law. It's also required that it be 150 kilowatts per port. It does stipulate that power sharing is permissible as long as there's 150 kilowatts per port. So all that being said, General Motors has targeted the Pilot Flying J Ultium Charge 360 locations to be compliant with NEVI guidelines. This will release the federal government funds from the Inflation Reduction Act to help build them out. You'll notice here it also needs to be available for 24 hours a day, 7 days per week. A great location to partner with would be Pilot and Flying J because they're open 24/7. These are terrific locations for EV road trip charging stops. I can't tell you how many times I've been at a Tesla supercharger and there were no trash cans or any way of cleaning the windshield, things like that. But these are full travel centers with free Wi-Fi, clean bathrooms, kind of like what you would see inside of Buc-ee's, super clean bathrooms. There's also either fast food or Denny's. The Denny's will be at the Flying J locations and fast food at the Pilot locations. There are accessories for cars because it's a travel center. So if you need to get like a charging cable or something like that, new windshield washer fluid, you can buy it inside, things like that. So really good.